Hey, it's Dr. T Mac here, and I just built a complete golf management system that reduced the admin stress by 89%. Come on, let me show you what I did. Okay, disclaimer. The organizer of the league did give me permission to share this. One of the stresses that the organization had was they were spending 10 hours a week just to put together a weekly event. We golf every single Saturday, and it was taking them, I know it's hard to believe, 10 whole hours a week to make everything work. So I saw, the issue that they were having, and I'm like, I build things, so let me see if I can just build them something that will streamline everything. The name of the group is Florida Players Group, and there are about 27 members of the group. So let me just click on home. I need to tell you, I did this all for free. I use everything from Google Workspace. I use the Google Calendar as the check-in system, the whole nine. Everything is Google, right? So you don't have to worry about being like super techie. I'm just going to walk you through or show you the features of what has streamlined the weekly process for Florida Players Group admin staff. So we have upcoming rounds. This comes from the calendar. Everything pulls straight from Google Calendar, the day, the date, the time, the green fees, where we are playing. And when people check in, it automatically pops up who checked in, and how many of slots are available. So if you can see here, then our next week or the upcoming week, we have 11 slots available. And it's programmed to, I programmed it to just lock out after our 16 slots or Thursday at noon. So that way admin can do their pairings. All right, so let me just show you the view pairings. So this is for our upcoming, this is our pairing. We pair people in groups, and then we have scorekeepers. If you run golf leagues or tournaments and things like that, you have to have two scorekeepers to verify the scores. And I put here everybody's handicap and their quota. We do quota games. That way it's super easy for everybody to see, at a glance what group you're in, what your handicap is, and all of that. And then the scorecard, they can download the scorecard here, and I'll just go ahead and open it up so y'all can see. So here's the scorecard right here. If people want to just take a view of the scorecard before. All right, and then we do current standing. So obviously we play the quota game. So if you're over quota, it shows how many rounds you've played and all of that, and who's over quota. It just gives you an idea of what's really going on and where you stand. Obviously, it's a league, it's a golf league, and we're all into competing. And then we have our Gen handicaps that pull straight from Gen. And we have the player of the month. I won January, and I also won October. And then 17 points, which is 17 over my quota. And then so on and so forth. And then we have a little section that shows it's just like a carousel, just different FPG moments that we have had. Then I'm going to click on Players Lounge. So the Players Lounge is one of our favorite little new things that we did. So it's like stories, wins, community. Like each week, whoever gets Player of the Week, we do like a little quick 5-minute interview. Let me see here. And obviously, yours truly got it. I know y'all guys over here. Let's go, team. All right, so that's that. And then we have Player of the Month.
I never thought, personally, I never thought that I would be handing anything of note to a Gator fan.
All right, I won't get that started there. But that Player of the Month, so this is our organizer, Ron Caldwell, Chief, and he presents every Player of the Month with a trophy. And so I just thought it would be cute just so we can see it. So this is our winners table. So this is where we do our quota winners, champ of the day, birdie or better, skins, things like that. And I just wanted to capture that. So this is where we capture that. And then we have on So one Thursday a month, we usually have like a party event. We're not going to do one this month because of Thanksgiving. So, but this is where we put all our upcoming events where people can check in. And then we have a leadership portal, which is super cool. So this is where the leadership can access the portal. They can log in. There's just practice stuff in here now, so y'all can see that. So yeah, so this is just an expenditure dashboard that shows, let's just say they have a project or something that they did for the group and they need to be reimbursed, or they would like to present it first, and then the finance will say yay or nay, approve it or whatever. So this is just a dashboard for them, which is kind of cool. This is where the admin, they do their pairings now, which is crazy fast. So what they do is they select a course, one of the courses where we play, and the tea time, whatever time we start. So I think like we start at 9:32 tomorrow, and then you can have smart suggestions. It's programmed in. I did that. So this is like what this person said they want to play with their husband. So, okay, we're going to add them in the group and we're going to do the smart suggestion. So, boom, there they are. And then it's basically drag and drop. You just drag and you just drop players in. It's super simple. And then you select who's going to keep score, and like a really crazy easy. And then you click publish to page and then publish the pairings. And then this is where our pairings are. Um, our pairings are right here. So they just view the pairings. That's what I showed you guys earlier. Kind of cool, not kind of cool, really cool, if I have to say so myself. That's just a few of the things. And I just wanted to show you. If you want me to show you how I did it, then let me know. If you really want me to show you, like walk you through, how does she do this? I would love to do this for my group. It doesn't have to be a golf group. It could be any group, anything in the community that you organize, any type of event. I did one for a golf league, like they go on a trip every single year. So I built one for them. And I can show you that if you want. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, what type of business you have, if you want me to show you how you can do this for your business. Super easy. Few prompts for AI. You can just, and I can show you prompts too. Let me know. Just wanted to show you.